Hello. Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Let me just check. The audio video is clear. Yeah, I think it is all clear. Let me just check. Yeah, there were some technical issues that is why there was a slight delay. I was sorting out the technical issues. So now I think everything is perfect. So let's start today's session. Just a minute. And please invite your friends to this live session. This is a common session for all CSIR NET and GATE aspirants. Yeah, please understand there was a technical issue. That is why we started a little late. Okay, so let us start. So data interpretation is a topic that is important in CSIR and GATE exam. And every exam we can expect one question or two questions. Yeah, normally one question comes from this topic in CSIR exam and GATE exam. So I will show you a few questions from GATE and CSIR NET exam so that you get a proper practice of both the exams. Just a minute. So for the new people, the complete course on general aptitude will wait for 1 or 2 minutes. By that time, more people will join, I guess. By that time, I will explain about the new plus courses also. The complete course on general aptitude is starting from February 2nd, coming Wednesday onwards. The new full-length course for the upcoming June NET exam. So this will cover complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, shortcut methods, tips and tricks, everything needed for the upcoming NET exam. This is the complete detail of the course, and this is for all the 5 science streams preparing for CSIR NET exam. And complete course on GATE general aptitude is completed. The video recording of that also is available by the single subscription of Unacademy Plus. And this is the new course we started from yesterday onwards, 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. for the upcoming CSIR and GATE exam. Concept revision and question discussion course, revision course for the upcoming GATE and CSIR NET exam. All these courses you can access by a single subscription of Unacademy Plus with the referral code CC10. These are the subscription pricing and these are the discounted pricing if you apply the referral code CC10 or CC10 Live. And for Republic Day till today, there is a special offer that with every 1 year or more subscription, there is 6 month free extension. If you use this referral code, 10% off, and that extension you can get together. This is the complete details of how to take an Unacademy Plus subscription and access all these courses. And not only these courses, you can access your subject educators courses also with the single subscription. No separate subscription needed. One subscription, all educators, all courses you can access. So, okay, so let us start. Data interpretation means question will be given in the form of data representation tool. Data representation tool means pie chart is a data representation tool. Histogram is a data representation tool. Venn diagram is a data representation tool. Table is a data representation tool. So any of the data representation tool will be given and you have to analyze the data and conclude the answer. So that is the idea in data interpretation question. The interpretation of data is very important, and these are some tips you have to remember when you do data interpretation question. Many questions you can eliminate wrong options easier than finding the correct answer. Eliminating 3 wrong options or weeding out incorrect options will be easier than finding the correct answer. So keep that idea in mind, that elimination of options will be practical in many questions. Just a minute. Okay, so and secondly, answer only what the question asks. Don't answer what is not asked for. There will be many data. The data will have many dimensions, but only what is needed or what is asked or what is there in one option. You only have to analyze that and conclude. And read the data very carefully. Even the minutest word may be important. Some words, if you don't understand it correctly, or for example, the question may be asking true statement and you are finding false statement, or question may be asking incorrect statement, you are finding correct answer. You will be getting a wrong answer if you are doing so. So be careful. read the question very carefully. And if there is, in some question, there will be multiple graphs or multiple data interpretation tools. There you have to understand the connection between the tools correctly. That is a fourth point. And given data may be insufficient for interpreting some options, avoid those. Some options are given data is not given about that at all. And don't waste your time on that. You have to skip that option and go to the next option. That is the next tip I want to tell about data interpretation question solving. So these are some of the tips I will explain these things with questions itself. This was a GATE 2021 problem on data interpretation. I will give you 2 minutes for all of you to try. Please try it, all of you. 1.5 to 2 minutes is enough. Carefully read it and answer it. Any answers? The video audio is clear now. Those of you are having video audio issue, please check the settings in your YouTube. Sometimes due to network issue, YouTube readjust the video setting. So check it. Okay, so I will explain. Many of you got option D, option B, option C. Okay, let's see which is correct. So listen very carefully. The number of students passing or failing in an exam for a particular subject are presented in the bar chart. So year 1, the number of, Year 1, the number of students passed is represented by this shaded region 50 and failed is denoted by this dark region. Year 2, passed is 60, failed is 5. Year 3, passed is 5, failed is 3. So this is what the question is saying. So we have understood the data correctly. Now what the question is telling, students who pass the exam cannot appear for the exam again. Students who pass the exam in the next year, they cannot appear the exam. But students who fail the exam in the first attempt must appear for the exam in the following year. That means year 1 who all failed. Year 1 10 people fail. Now all those 10 people are appearing in year 2. That is the meaning. And year 2 who all failed, that 5 people are appearing in year 3. And one more thing is told, appear for the exam in the following year. Students always pass the exam in their second attempt. That means year 1 failed students, here 10 students hai na. What 10 students definitely year 60 pe hoga. They will not be coming in this 5 because if they fail in first year, they will pass in second year. That is the meaning of the question. Did you all understood that? Please respond. So in that case, the number of students who took the exam for the first time in year 2 and year 3 respectively. So first time appearing students in year 2 and year 3 is how much? That is what the question is asking. Let's see. So year 2, let us understand. Year 2 total number of people are 60 plus 5, 65. Are you all understanding? 65. Forget about pass failed. Only thing, total number of students will be 60 plus 5, 65. Now, in the 65, 10 people are from the previous year, because all the people who failed from the previous year will come for writing the exam in year 2. So definitely in the 65, 10 people are old students, or 10 students are old students. Remaining 55 are new students. ना ईयर 2 में न्यू स्टूडेंट्स का नंबर 55 होगा, क्योंकि ईयर 2 में टोटल स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर्ड 65 है, उसमें 10 स्टूडेंट्स ईयर 1 का है. सो डेफिनेटली 65 minus 10, 55 स्टूडेंट्स न्यू स्टूडेंट्स है who took the exam for the first time in year 2. Year 2 first time appearing students is 55. 55 is there in two options. These two options are eliminated because of that. You can eliminate it directly. Did you all understood this much? Please mention in the chat whether this is clear. Especially those people who got different answers, please mention whether this is clear or not. So now, year 3, we need to know the number of students who appeared in year 3 for the first time. Who appeared for the exam for the first time in year 3. So year 3 same logic you apply. Year 3 में total कितना students appear किया है? 50 plus 3 passed students plus failed students, 53 students total था. ये 53 students में 5 students year 2 का failed students होगा, because in the previous year who all failed will come for the exam this year. Previous year में 5 students failed था, so definitely ये 53 में से 5 students पिछले year का students है. बाकी 48 students, the new students will be 53 minus 5 ना, 48 students will be new students, or 48 will be the number of students who appeared for the first time, who took the exam for the first time in year 3. So इसलिए 48 होगा year 3 का. Both are satisfying in only option D, so option D is the answer. A very good question, na? Simple question only. If you use the right method, it is simple only. But it makes us think. It gives us data in different ways. Actually, I think majority of you who got the wrong answer, the mistake you have made is you have been stuck with the past student failed student number. That is not the relevant data at all. As I told, past and failed together 65 people are there. In that 65, previous years failed students only matters. Present years failed and passed does not matter. So hope all of you understood this. A very good data interpretation question asked in the latest GATE exam. So I will show you a CSIR question asked in the latest CSIR exam, November 2020 net exam question. All of you make a try. Here also bar graph should be analyzed. Okay, some of you already got it right. Wonderful. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Let's see how we can find it. No calculation at all needed. Rice production in 6 states A, B, C, D, E, F in 2 consecutive years are shown in the diagram in linear scale. Among the states that saw a fall in production in the drought year, this is what I told, only what is needed to be calculated. Among the states that saw a fall in production in the drought year is these gray regions, and the previous year, the year just before drought year, is denoted by this dark region. For each of the 6 states A, B, C, D, E and F. Among the states which saw a fall in production in drought year means, let us check each of the years. Each year analyze किया तो A year में fall in production हो रहा है ना, B year में fall नहीं, rise in production है. It is not decrease in production, it is increase in production. So definitely B state, not B year. B state you don't have to consider, because we need only the states that saw a fall in production in drought year. B state, it is not a fall in production, it is a rise in production. So B cannot be the answer at all. Any option having B in it can be eliminated, because B cannot be even considered. All other year it is fall in production, so no doubt. So one option is eliminated. Now what you can think? Question is asking maximum and minimum relative fall. Maximum relative fall. Here you should be able to look into the picture and answer. No calculation needed, or you should not calculate it. Here to here, this is the maximum fall now. Look at this. From this, it is becoming almost quarter of this value. ये बार का quarter है ये. बाकी सब बार, it is not that much fall. So definitely maximum relative fall is for D state itself. D state maximum relative fall is mentioned in 2 options. So C option can be eliminated. Now what else? Minimum relative fall find karna hai. Minimum relative fall. Yeah. Now you can use the options. Which options? Option 2 options are only remaining. Both the options are giving F and A respectively. F and A respectively for minimum relative fall. Minimum relative fall, F or A analyze karo. A ka relative fall itna hai. That means this dark bar is becoming less than half. But if the fall is very small, na, like 100% becomes only 90% or so. This is 100% becomes 40% or so. So definitely year relative fall smaller hai. So definitely F is the minimum relative fall. The state is F. So option D is eliminated. So option A is the answer. Here also we are using options as much as possible to save more time. Even if it is 10 seconds, 20 seconds, use options to save more time. Did you all understood this? Please respond. Actually, I still have a cough issue. I had a fever last week, but the cough is still there. That is why. Sorry for the trouble in between. So anyway, let us continue with the next question. Hope this is clear to all of you. We will see a GATE exam question now. Yeah, try this. Very simple question. GATE 2012 question. 1 minute is enough, I guess. Any answers? Okay, some of you already got it. Okay, so let's discuss. The data given in the following table summarizes. So here the data representation tool is a table. Previous two question में bar chart था, ये question में table दिया है. Approximate percentage of the budget not spent. Yeah, don't find spend instead of not spent. That is what I given as tip. Read the data very carefully. If spend is read as not spend or not spend is read as spend, the answer will change ना. ये question में not spend on savings पूछा है. Not spend on savings which है, but finding savings and then finding the complement of it, that is a better way. Savings पे कितना spend किया है? 1500. So total monthly budget का कितना percentage savings पे spend नहीं किया है? That is a question. What percentage of the total monthly budget is not spent on savings? That is what the question is asking. So we can say total. We can add up the total. When you add up the total, you will get 10,500. 10,500 total monthly budget hai. In this 10,500, 1,500 is spent on savings. 10,500, 1,500 is spent on savings. So when you cancel it, you will get 1/7. Yeah, if you know mental math, you can do this question even more faster. 1/7 is spent on savings. So definitely remaining 6/7 is not spent on savings. 1/7 means percentage wise speaking, 1/7 is 14.29 percentage. Or 1/7 into 100 you will get 14.29 percentage. Or approximately 14 percentage. 14 percentage is spent on savings means remaining is not spent on savings. Almost 86 percentage is not spent on savings. That way you can find. Otherwise, if you are not okay with it, you can find this, add it up and divide by 10,500. But that will take more time. Don't waste that much time. Spend on savings will be easy to find. Find the percentage of that. From total 100 percentage, you subtract it, you get the answer. Hope this is clear to all of you. Please respond. Respond in the chat whether this is clear. So if that is clear, let us discuss. Yeah, we will discuss an interesting question. Just a minute. Yeah, this is a good question. All of you try this question, please. All of you try this question. Question is visible now. Let me just check. The question is only till that much. Right side it is that much only. Based on the table, what is the maximum number of diamonds one can buy for rupees 10 lakh? Sure, Diksha, I will take that also, either today or in another class. If possible, today itself will take. Yeah, my plus students, today morning we have discussed another variation of this question. Okay, some of you got option A, some of you got option B. Let's see which is correct. So based on the table, what is the maximum number of diamonds one can buy for rupees 10 lakh? So 10 lakh rupees you have. Practically think this. You have 10 lakh rupees with you and you have this much varieties of diamond. What is the variety of diamond here? This is asked in November 2020 question, net exam question. So 0.25 size diamond is there. 0.25 size diamond is there. Just a minute. Point 0.25 size diamond is as 0.5 size diamond is as 1 size diamond is there, 2 size diamond is there. In carat, carat is a unit to unit of the quantity or quality of the diamond. So we can say this is but price per carat. This idea you should not miss. That is very important. Price per carat, rupees in lakhs per carat. That is, for example, इसका प्राइस पर कैरेट 8 लाख है. प्राइस पर कैरेट 8 लाख है तो 2 कैरेट का डायमंड में 2 into 8 16 lakh will be the total price. Are you all understanding that 16 lakh? Please respond. 2 कैरेट डायमंड है बट 1 कैरेट का प्राइस है 8 लाख, तो 2 कैरेट का प्राइस 2 into 8 लाख 16 लाख होगा ना. Is that clear, all of you? Okay, that is clear. It is like 1 kg onion का price 40 rupees है तो 2 kg onion का price 80 rupees होगा. Per kg price, if it is told, for example, if you go to a vegetable vendor, they will say price 1 kg का price इतना है तो 2 kg चाहिए तो 2 times you have to do that price, multiply that price now. So 2 into 8 16 lakh will be the price, total price of that diamond. Similarly here 1 into 4 lakh itself is the price. Here half carat में available है, like onion is available in half kg packet. 1 kg का price 100 है तो half kg का price 50 ही होगा ना. So this is price per carat. 1 carat का price 2 lakh है लेकिन ये half carat में available है. So half into 2, 1 lakh only is the total price of that. And here 0.25, that means quarter is the quarter it is available. Quarter it is available. Quarter carat में available है. 1 carat का price 1 lakh है. Price per carat 1 lakh दिया है. तो quarter carat का 0.25 into 1 lakh 25,000 rupees होगा. 25,000 rupees. Is that clear, all of you? So this is the most important thing you should understand here. Price per carat say total price. First of all you have to find. You have to find total price from the price per carat. Now, what is the question? What is the maximum number of diamonds one can buy for rupees 10 lakh? Maximum number of diamonds. Maximum number of diamonds के लिए minimum costing diamond choose करना पड़ेगा ना. You have to choose the cheapest diamond. Cheapest diamond 25,000 का diamond है. 1 piece का price 25,000 है. 25,000 का कितना diamond खरीद सकता है 10 lakh rupees दिया तो? With 25,000 rupees, how many diamonds you can purchase? 25,000 1 diamond. So 1 lakh rupees दिया तो 4 diamonds मिलेगा. 4 diamonds you can get for 1 lakh rupee. 10 lakh rupee 4 into 10 40 diamonds you can get. But what is the problem? The stock is not available that much. Only 20 pieces are available this particular diamond. So you can only get 20 pieces. 20 pieces का price कितना होगा? 20 into 25,000 होगा ना? So 20 into 25,000 that is 5 lakh rupees spend करना पड़ेगा. 1 lakh rupees दिया तो 4 diamonds मिलेगा. तो 5 lakh rupees दिया तो 20 diamonds मिलेगा ना? You will get 20 diamond and that particular diamond is over in the shop. You cannot buy any more 0.25 carat diamond because your total stock available there is exhausted. Now, so definitely to get the maximum number, you have to go for the next costliest diamond. Next cheapest diamond. Next cheapest diamond is 1 lakh rupee diamond. 1 lakh rupee diamond, how many you need or how many you can buy? Total 10 lakh rupees hai na? So 5 lakh rupees already spent. So definitely 1 lakh rupees 5 lakh का diamond खरीद सकता है. That is 5 pieces. 5 pieces only you can buy. So 20 pieces plus 5 pieces, total 25 is going to be the answer. Please respond all of you whether this is clear or not. Those of you are having video issue, please change your video setting in YouTube. It is not an issue here. It is your video quality. Your YouTube is adjusting to auto setting to lowest quality. So please change it. You will see the video clearly then. Hope this much is clear. Please mention in the chat whether this is clear or not. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. So data interpretation, I hope you are getting a hold of it. And if you people feel that this session is useful for you, please hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people because YouTube will suggest it to more and more people if more people are interacting in the video or more people are liking the video. So please do that and share this video to your friends also. The YouTube live link will be available here. I mean, this video will be available all the time. So yeah, this question we'll discuss. This is another kind of a data interpretation question asked in GATE exam. So, and your opinion about this video, you can comment also whether you felt this video useful or not. So please try this question, all of you. Read the question carefully and answer. It's a practical situation. Informing all of you, this series will continue for the next 3 days. Tomorrow we will be discussing series formation chapter. Day after tomorrow, I think speed, distance and time. And Sunday we will be discussing clock problem. So this is GATE and CSIR master series daily at 11 a.m. in the YouTube channel of Unacademy. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow and Sunday there will be classes at the same time itself in the Unacademy YouTube channel. Okay. So let us discuss this question. It's a very interesting question. The point in the given graph represents the halt of the lift for duration of 1 minute. Halt means that much time it is stopping, that much time it is not moving. Like think about a supermarket or shopping mall, or if you are living in a flat, think about your apartment and flat lift itself. So it stops at second floor or third floor or first floor or ground floor and then go to the next floor. Na? So for duration of 1 minute it stops. That is what is represented by this dotted line. By this dots. What it is representing is 1 minute it is stopping in zeroth floor, ground floor. Then fifth floor, 1 minute. Again 1 more minute. That is 2 minutes in fifth floor together. And then coming back to ground floor again, then waiting 1 minute, again 1 minute in the ground floor itself, then going to fourth floor, then 3 minute waiting there, then going down to ground floor, then going to fifth floor, 1 minute waiting there, coming down to ground floor and so on. This is what is happening. So if that is what is happening, now let us answer which of the following is correct is asked. Let us check each of the statements. The elevator never moves directly from a non-ground floor to another non-ground floor. That means non-zero floor to non-zero floor movement is not happening here at all. That is what the question says. Yeah, this is ground to non-ground, non-ground to ground. That all are okay, but there is an exception. Look at this. On the, these are time in minutes. 5th minute, 10th minute, 15th minute, 20th minute, 25th minute. Look at the 27th minute. 27th minute it is on second floor. 28th minute it is going to 28th minute it is on second floor. 29th minute it is going to fifth floor. That means non-ground to another non-ground it is moving now, but it is saying never moves directly from non-ground to non-ground. But it is false because here it is moving from non-ground to non-ground. Did you all understood? A different kind of data interpretation question. Please respond all of you whether you understood this. So first statement is not correct always. Now let us check the second statement. Second statement kya hai? The elevator stays on the fourth floor for the longest duration of the 1 hour period, over the 1 hour period. So fourth floor में maximum time stay किया है. Maximum time means how many dots are there, that many minutes it is on that floor. That is a meaning. So throughout the floor, if you count these dots, all if you count 1, 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 minutes it is on the ground floor. Did you all understood how 21 minutes? 1 second. 21 minutes it is on the ground floor. 21 minutes ground floor mein hai. So definitely let us check fourth floor also. So 21 minutes zeroth floor mein hai. 1, 2, 3 minutes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 minutes only it is on the fourth floor. So definitely this statement is also wrong. Na? 19 minutes on fourth floor, 21 minutes on zeroth floor. Elevator stays on the fourth floor on the longest duration. Wrong. Elevator stays on ground floor on the longest duration. That is correct. That means neither 1 nor 2 is correct. How many of you understood this? And those of you have doubt, please ask. How many of you understood this? Please mention. Got it, all of you? So it's a very interesting question now. First option क्यों नहीं हुआ? करिश्मा first option क्या दे रहा है? Elevator never moves directly from any non-ground floor to another non-ground floor. Non-ground floor मतलब first floor to fifth floor non-ground floor है. First 0th floor is the only ground floor. बाकी सब non-ground floor है ना. एक non-ground floor से दूसरा non-ground floor में never moves. That is what the question says. लेकिन ये देखो 28th minute और 29th minute में क्या हो रहा है? 28th minute में lift is on the second floor में था, लेकिन 29th minute में lift is on the 5th floor. दोनों non ground floor है ना. So never moves from non ground to non ground गलत है ना. Is that clear now? तो if you have doubt about first statement क्यों possible नहीं है, so what first statement भी possible नहीं है, second भी possible नहीं है, so option D is the correct answer. Sahil, second is false because second says elevator stays on 4th floor for the longest duration. No, 4th floor में सिर्फ 19 minutes stay कर रहा है, क्योंकि number of dots is number of minutes it is halting. So total number of dots count किया तो 19 dots है, लेकिन 0th floor में ground floor में 21 dots है. So 21 dots means 21 minutes. 21 minutes is more than 19 minutes ना. So definitely 4th floor में नहीं, 0th floor में या ground floor में maximum minutes stay कर रहा है. Is that clear all of you? If that is clear, let's go to next question. Yeah, try this. This is a very interesting pie chart based question. Let's see here. Pie chart based question. Yes, Ravi. Any answers? Didn't got any answers, so I will explain then. The two pie charts given at right show the data of total students and only girls registered in different streams in a university. So what does that mean? This is the data of total students enrolled in the university. In art stream, how much percent, management, how much percent, science, how much percent, commerce, how much percent, engineering, how much percent. And what is the second pie chart saying? Percentage of girls enrolled in different streams. Arts में कितना girls है, management में कितना girls है, science में कितना, commerce में कितना, engineering में कितना. So total students girls. So definitely total students है girls का number subtract किया तो boys का number मिलेगा. If you need boys number, the first pie chart and second pie chart data should be considered and then subtracted. So let us see. Now, if the total number of students registered in the university is 5,000, so total number registered in the university is 5,000 means what? Just a minute. So, इसका sum 5,000 होगा. 5,000 students का distribution है ये pie chart. And the total number of registered girls is 1,500. So this pie chart total is going to be 1,500. So definitely boys ka number 5,000 minus 1,500, 3,500 hoga. Then the ratio of boys enrolled in arts. What the question is asking? Boys in arts. Boys in arts divided by girls in management. Girls enrolled in management. So this is what the question is asking. So girls in management is straightforward ना, क्योंकि 1,500 total girls है, उसमें से 15% girls are in management. So definitely the denominator is so obvious, 15% of 1,500. Is that clear to all of you? 15% of 1,500. Now boys in arts, how to find it? To find boys in arts, you need both the pie chart. Total people in arts you can find from this, that is 20% of 5,000. 20% of 5,000 find karna hai, that is total students in art, minus girls in arts. 30% of this 1,500 are the girls in arts na? So 30% of total girls is the students in arts, girls in arts. So ये दोनों का difference होगा boys in arts. Total art students से art students in girls subtract किया तो art students boys girls in art students subtract किया तो boys in arts find कर सकता है and divided by girls in management. Did you all understood? Now it is all about calculation. 20% है 5,000, mental arithmetic से calculate कर सकता है. 10% है 5,500 है तो 20% 500 plus 500,000 होगा. नहीं है तो गेट एग्जाम में वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर है, दैट आल्सो यू कैन यूज. 30% है 1,500, 10% 150 है, 30% 150 150 150 450 होगा. 450 डिवाइडेड बाय 15% है 1,500, 10% is 150, 5% is 75, 150 plus 75 225. Calculation part you do yourself. So 225 in the denominator. So that is 550 by 225 is the final answer. 550 by 225, you can cancel the common 25 in it. 25 is common. 25 if you cancel, this will be 22 and this will be 9. So 22 by 9 is going to be the ratio, or 22:9. Option D is the correct answer. Please respond in the chat. How many of you understood this? Please respond. Okay, most of you understood, I guess. Seeing the comments, no doubts. If there is any doubt, please specify. So this was a GATE 2020 problem. Very good question. CSIR and GATE, these kinds of questions are repeatedly asked. So then we will discuss a simple question. Make a try this question, GATE 2020, another question. Please try this. Any answers? Anirudh, I didn't understand that doubt. 20% of 70% of 5,000. Why? What is the 70% part? I didn't understand that. Okay, this question I can see two options, option A and option C. Majority of you opt option A, but unfortunately option A is wrong. Let's see why it is wrong. Total expenditure of a family on different activities in a month is shown in the pie chart. The extra money spent on education as compared to transport. It is not asking extra money on education out of total. No. Education compared to transport. So from the pie chart, you can see that transport is 10%, education is 15%. So that means what is the total we don't know. If the total is say X, total expenditure is X, transport में spend किया है 10% of X and education पे spend किया है 15% of the same X itself. Question is asking how much more compared to this, not compared to total X. It is not asking 15% of X by X or anything. It is asking 10% or 15%. The increment is of 5%. 5% of X compared to 10% of X. That is very important. Final value minus initial value by initial value into 100, mathematically speaking. But you don't have to mathematically write it. Logically think किया तो 10% 15% हो रहा है, मतलब 5% का इंक्रीमेंट. 10% से कंपेयर किया तो 5% का इंक्रीमेंट कितना है? 50% है. 10 का आधा है ना 5, 10 का आधा है 5, आधा मतलब 50% है. So compared to transport, 50% more. So if this is still not understanding, instead of X you take an example 100. If total expenditure is 100, so transport by 10% means 10% of 100 is 10 rupee. Education 15% means 15 rupee. 10 rupee on education, transport and 15 rupee on education means 50% more is spent on education, na? Because 10 becoming 15. Extra is 5. 5 compared to 10 is 50%. Did you all understood? Yeah, they will give 5 also as the 4 options, one of the 4 options to make you think 10 15 difference is 5, so 5 is the answer. No, 10 15 difference 5, that 5 compared to 10, that 5 compared to 10 is 50%, not 5%. Did you all understood this? Option C, 50 is the correct answer. So if that is clear, let's go to the next question. This is another kind of data interpretation question, practical question. Take a try, all of you. Many of you got the answers, and it is most of you are right. So I'll explain. After the inauguration of the new building, the head of the department collated faculty preferences for the office space. That means he collected the preference by the faculty where they want to get their room. P wanted a room adjacent to the lab. Adjacent to the lab. Adjacent to the lab means this is a lab. So on this wing, P wanted the room. So P wanted the room in this wing. Three options are satisfying that, but this option is not adjacent to the lab. It is adjacent to playground. So option B directly eliminate कर सकता है. Q wanted to be close to the lift. Close to the lift means closest position to the lift is this. This is also okay, but this is not okay. This is not close to the lift. इसलिए option A गलत है. Because all their preferences are satisfied. That is what the question tells in the end. Now next sentence, R wanted the view of the playground. Wanted the view of the playground means R should be in this wing. Both the options are saying so. R is in that wing. And S wanted the corner office. Listen very carefully. Corner office means this is a corner office, this is a corner office, this is a corner office. This is not a corner office. So definitely option D गलत है. क्योंकि corner office चाहिए. यहाँ पे 3 corner offices है. One of the corner offices should be here. So option C is satisfying that also. So all conditions are satisfied by option C. इसलिए option C सही है. Is that clear, all of you? Why option C is the answer? Simple question, na? Again, the importance of weeding out wrong options, as I told in the beginning of the class, is very important in most of the questions. So hope this is clear. Then let's go to another similar question. Try this. This is a very similar question. Interesting one. Try it, please. Okay, many of you got it right. Very good. 5 people PQRST work in a bank. P and Q don't like each other but have to share an office till T get a promotion and moves to the big office next to the garden. So T didn't get the promotion yet. So don't worry about that hypothetical situation. We only have to worry about the current scenario. P and Q does not like each other but have to share the office. So P and Q same office में होना चाहिए. All these 3 options are saying so, but ये option में P and Q separate offices में है, so that can be eliminated readily. P and Q same office में होना चाहिए. R who is currently sharing an office with T. R अभी T के साथ है. R अभी T के साथ है. This option is not saying so. R is in office 3 and T is here. So definitely that is eliminated. And R and S is sharing office here. That is also not acceptable. R and T is sharing office. That itself finishes the question. Only option C satisfies that condition. So definitely option C is the answer. These kinds of questions, don't try to do direct method. Don't try to visualize everything. You look at the options and eliminate options. Weeding out wrong options is very important. Did you all understood this? Please respond. So that is how to do these kinds of questions. This is another similar question. If you want, you can try this also. Hope today's session was interesting for all of you. If so, please like this video, share this video to more and more people, and invite more and more people to tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we will be discussing series formation in the same YouTube channel at same timing, 11 o'clock to 12:15. So all of you are welcome. All of your friends are welcome. Anyone who is preparing for CSIR, anyone preparing for GATE exam, both group of people are invited to this session, because I'm taking those common topics useful for both the exams, as both exams are coming together. So, and also, if you want more free classes, the link tagged in this chat, that is a link for attending my special classes. There are more than 400 free classes I have uploaded in the Unacademy special class platform. That link is given in the chat. If you are new to the special classes, you have to use the unlock code CC10 to access the free platform and access not only my classes, many educators, subject educators classes also are available. Special classes means complete free classes. The link of that is tagged in the chat. New students can click on the link and access it. And coming Monday, as the next 3 days, it will be in YouTube channel itself. Coming Monday, we will be taking the next special class in the Unacademy special class platform, and that will be rapid fire session for general aptitude section for CSIR and GATE. 15 to 20 questions we are discussing. So, and about that, yeah, you can follow the page so that you get updates. That link given in the tagged in the chat, click on it and click on the follow button so that you will get all my updates. In the community tab of Unacademy profile, you will get all the updates of my upcoming free classes, YouTube classes and special classes. And in my channel, 6 p.m. free classes happens. Last 2-3 days class was not there. Today or tomorrow we will restart that. Okay, many of you got the answer for this question also. Let's see which is the correct answer. 3 of the 5 students allocated to a hostel put in special request to the warden. Given the floor plan of the vacant rooms, select the allocation plan that will accommodate all their requests. All the 3 people's requests are satisfied. Request by Q. Due to pollen allergy, I want to avoid a wing next to garden. So next to garden. So there are 2 garden here. Garden, garden. So X want to avoid garden. So this is okay. Here this is not okay. X is near to garden. So definitely option B is eliminated. This is okay. And this is also okay. With respect to request by X, option B is eliminated. Next request. I want to leave. Y is saying I want to live as far from the washrooms as possible since I am very sensitive to smell. So the remaining 3 options. Washroom, there are 2 washrooms. This is a washroom. This is also a washroom. As far from washroom means this position and this position is okay. This is still closer to this. These 2 are the best choices now. As far from both the washrooms. So definitely option A galat hai, because in option A, Y is near to this washroom. And here, let us check this. Y, yeah, this is a far away place from these 2 washrooms. That is okay. And this one also is okay with respect to Y's request. Finally, so 2 options are still remaining. Let us check the next request. Request by Z. I will believe in Vastu and so want to stay in the southwest wing. Southwest, which is the southwest wing, 2 options are remaining. South and west. This wing is the southwest wing. Southwest wing. Whether Z is in the southwest wing. In option D, Z is in the southwest wing. In option C, Z is in the southeast wing. So southwest wing milna chahiye. That is not satisfied in option C. So option C also is eliminated. So only option satisfying all the requests of all the 3 people is option D. Isliye option D sahi hai. Is that clear to all of you? Did you all understood? 3 similar questions we discussed. I think we can conclude today's session here. Few homework questions I will give you. Tomorrow we will discuss data interpretation chapter. This is a CSIR question asked from this topic in November 2020. And this is another CSIR question. In the plus class, we discussed yesterday these questions. So hope today's session was useful for all of you. If so, share this video to as much people as possible and invite them to tomorrow 11 a.m. YouTube live. Series formation is the topic. In the same channel, you can find the link of it, or visit this channel tomorrow 11 a.m. You will be able to get the details. And again, the new plus courses. Yesterday, we started the new plus course. Revision course on most important general aptitude concepts and questions. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the live course timing. And this is the new course starting from next week, the new batch of general aptitude course, complete course on CSIR NET general aptitude for June 2022 exam. For February exam also, the first 8 lectures will be very useful. So you are welcome to be part of this plus platform. If you can afford the plus platform, you can access all the courses of all the educators by a single subscription. It is worth it to access all the courses by this pricing. And if you want to get discount, you can use the referral code CC10. The Republic Day special discount and special offer also is applicable now till today. And these are how you can, this is how you can get an Unacademy Plus subscription with maximum discount. So make use of that. So thank you all of you for attending this session. You're welcome, Rima, and all of you for the good words. Thank you so much. So that's it. Thank you all. Take care, all of you. See you all on the next class. Tomorrow 11 a.m. and today or tomorrow 6 p.m. we will have one more YouTube session. My channel will update you. So thank you all. Take care, all of you. Bye-bye.